Well, former President Donald Trump now faces a superseding federal indictment over his alleged efforts to overturn the 2020 election. Special counsel Jack Smith adjusted the evidence in this updated case with the U.S. Supreme Court's recent presidential immunity ruling in mind. Trump called this new filing a, quote, hoax. ABC's M. Nguyen has the latest from Washington.
Special counsel Jack Smith charging former President Trump again in a superseding indictment in his federal election interference case. Smith navigating around the Supreme Court's recent ruling that granted broad presidential immunity. The special counsel keeping the same 4 counts against Trump, including conspiracy to defraud the United States, to obstruct the certification of electoral votes, and conspiracy against the right to vote and to have one's vote counted. So what's different? These charges now only relate to alleged actions Trump took as a private citizen and political candidate rather than a sitting president. For example, the new indictment flatly states that Trump had no official responsibilities related to the certification proceeding, but he did have a personal interest as a candidate in being named the winner of the election.
These modifications were done to ensure that the Supreme Court's ruling was respected.
Trump calling the new indictment a direct assault on democracy.
Looks like Jack Smith doing more of what he does, which is filing these absurd lawsuits in an effort to influence the election.
The superseding indictment came as Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson discussed the Supreme Court decision, reiterating her dissent that the court had gone too far.
I was concerned about a system that appeared to provide immunity for one individual under one set of circumstances, when we have a criminal justice system that had ordinarily treated everyone the same.
Trump has denied any wrongdoing, calling for this case to be thrown out. Either way, it appears unlikely this case or any other he faces will go to trial before the election on November 5th. M. Nguyen, ABC News, Washington.